not just talking about it. It's what we've been doing for I've been doing personally for 9 years. Right. Alrighty. Look at that, 26-point increase. So let's see what changed. Anything good? Ooh, look at that. What day is it today?
Yesterday.
Yesterday this happened. Look at all that.
Oh, no, 2 days ago.
2 days ago this
September
happened.
8th, yeah.
September 8th, Comenity Bank removed, Synchrony. And these are big collection charge-offs, right? These are like $20,000, $10,000 ones. So this client signed up how long ago?
I think like half a month.
Half a month ago. All right. They signed up half a month ago, and we were able to repair the credit. That's quite common when we use ACAT. ACAT stands for, it's abbreviated for Automatic Credit Analytic Technologies. It's the software that utilizes artificial intelligence. I created it myself about a year and a half ago. It bypasses the traditional method of repairing credit, such as, hey, Rich, how's it going, man? How's the Bay Area going? It bypasses the traditional method of disputes, and it basically puts all your disputes in one thing and then sends them off. You can't dispute directly with the bureaus because it's going to take too long, right? So this system bypasses a lot of the limitations that the bureaus have and basically gets here.
They go and then it's come back, remove stuff for in 3 days, so it's pretty good.
Cool. Oh, great.
Yeah.
We got some
Yeah, but
results
using
less than
the
a week.
intelligent method, yeah, I get that.
Okay, can you pull it up? They want to know what you're talking about.
Okay. Right here. So here. Here, so I did this bill for comfort at night.
This is our system. We got is this private information? Or?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Yeah, so this is our database. This is our artificial